Alright, quick tip for the kitchen this time. If you have a fridge and you want to use an LED lamp, an LED light bulb in your fridge, you go ahead and do that because it works just fine. As you can see, it's been on for a few months now. I mean installed, not on. It obviously turns on just only when you open the fridge. Now, I don't know about modern fridges because you know, it's one of those things that if you have and it's big enough, you're not gonna buy a new one just for the sake of it. And it's been over 10 years since I bought one. So I don't really know, maybe the new ones have that, but basically every fridge I have seen so far has the old kind of light bulb, the incandescent light bulbs. Same as the one on the hood here. I want to change this as well. Let's see if it's kind of difficult to get this thing out. I think it slides. Something from inside now. Or can I see it if I... Nah, it's just incandescent type. You can see the yellowish glow. That's and the very concentrated area of light where only the filament is a characteristic of incandescent light bulbs. That's the kind they have, and I just wanted to see if if I can install an LED light bulb, mainly because it's a lot brighter and it consumes a lot less power. The only thing I was worried about is that it has that electronic circuit. I mean, a normal incandescent light bulb has nothing else in it but that filament. Let's see, I need to get one. As time goes by, I suppose there are people who don't know how one looks like. And these are actually halogen bulbs. There's a classic one. But I should have the original one from the fridge too. Isn't that here? Did I? Yes, it is. There's the original. Yeah. No, I don't think this is the original. How much watts? 46. Might be. This is a halogen filament light bulb, which is basically the same thing, only that instead of the filament being inside of the main glass container, it's inside the smaller one with some sort of interesting gas surrounding it. I don't know what kind of gas. A halogen gas, as the name implies, but it's basically the same thing. It's a piece of wire that you connect directly to the mains and it lights up. And you can understand why that is a bit simpler, because even if that filament has a lot of heat applied to it, a lot of electricity, and it heats up a lot, it's isolated. It's completely isolated from its surroundings. But these LED light bulbs, well, these are isolated as well if they're well made. They have the circuit sealed inside that base there, but it's an electronic circuit. It has quite a few components. There's a power source and oh no, wait, I'm confusing it with the CFL, with the tube, but it does have a power supply for the LED to supply the step down voltage from the mains voltage. So there's definitely something that can go wrong in there if there's moisture getting in. And that's what I was worried about, including the PCB that the LEDs are on, which is somewhere on top of that base, inside that that globe. And apparently that's not an issue, you know, because you have some of them which have vents on the side. This one doesn't have that. I think there are inside and outside classified bulbs as well. But anyway, with this type of enclosed base, LED works just fine. So if you want to do that, you can do that, no worries, it works just fine. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Techalyzer.